I'm sure you guys have already by the title of video. So let's first see the restoration of old photo straight. Let's start with a single shot. What can be restored to this? Photograph of elegant girl taken in 1890. The AI has automatically detected and selected the face model. So let's look at the menu bar on the left and select extra AI models. This time, maybe we should select AI upscale and colorize models. Click preview button and wait seconds. You can see the result is very good. The young girl's features become clear and the color is natural. Single-person photos are already too hard for this AI photo enhancer to handle. So let's escalate the challenge a bit and see how well it fixes multiplayer photos. While the results of fixing multiplayer photos are also so good that even the dog came to life. Just kidding, we can see that this online AI repair tool performs consistently. Having said that, how to get this online tool? Like and follow and find out right away. It's very simple, just click on the link below and you'll be taken straight to it. Of course, you can also use hitpaw online photo enhancer from its website. Usually, another common problem with old photos is scratch. So can this online tool solve the creasing problem? Let's see whether it works with this tricky issue. This old photo looks really bad. Creased, blurry black and white. First, maybe we should change soft style to sharp. In addition to AI upscale and colorize model, we then maybe choose restore old photo to remove scratch. Again, wait a few seconds. It actually removes creases from old photos. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe us to get more useful tools. Catch you in the next one.